All right, guys, last video for day 2. Two things we're going to talk about here. One is increasing and decreasing, which isn't bad, and the other one's in behavior, which is a little weird, but again, really not terrible. I have 2 examples to show you to kind of help us through it. Okay, so first off, increasing and decreasing. So increasing. Now, increasing means going up, and you read it from left to right. So if we look here, and I'm just going to kind of use a color to show this, getting fancy. But the only place, if you go left to right, the only place it's increasing is right here. Okay? That's the only place it's going up. So if we're going to write where it's increasing, when it says interval, it just means where. It goes to the left for forever. So it's increasing from negative infinity. Okay? And it stops increasing, right, we'll just say right here at -3. Okay, so it's increasing from negative infinity to -3. Okay, now decreasing. Decreasing, if increasing means going up, then decreasing means going down. So we continue reading from left to right. So it was going up, okay? It was going up, and then right here it's going down. Use a different color. Decreasing right here at the green to right there. Okay, at this point, it just remains constant. It's neither increasing nor decreasing. So it's increasing from negative infinity to -3. It's decreasing from -3 to, and you use your x values, -3 to right here, which is where your x is 0. You use x to tell where things are happening. So it's increasing from negative infinity to -3, decreasing from -3 to infinity, and we use 0 to do that. Okay, now in behavior, trying to make sense of my best. So there's 2 ways to look at in behavior. You look at what's happening as it's going to the left, and what's happening as it's going to the right. Right? So essentially, you're just looking at where's the arrow, where's it going to end up going. So you look, though, here's how you write it: going to the left. You write it as x. Okay, and I don't have an arrow button here. I'll just write it negative infinity. Okay, so it's written like this: as x approaches negative infinity. Right, and then for the right, on the right side, you write it as x approaches infinity. Okay, so the right as x approaches infinity. And essentially, all you do is you write what is y doing as it approaches these things. So as it approaches negative infinity, as x approaches negative infinity, if you look, that line is going down, and it's going to continue going down. So as x approaches infinity, y approaches, as x approaches negative infinity, y approaches negative infinity because it's going down. So as this is going to the left, this is going down. If it was going up, then if you're approaching negative infinity, you'd be approaching positive infinity. Okay? Now on the right, as x approaches infinity, this line just stays right there. So, okay, and that y value there is 2. So as x approaches infinity, y approaches 2. Boom. That's it. Okay. All right, now this is a little more complicated one with x and y, but let's go through it. It's increasing here and here. It's decreasing here and here. Man, that's terrible. Okay. So increasing. Let's write both places where it's increasing. So it's increasing from -2 to 1. Use the x values again from -2 to 1. And it's also increasing from 3 to infinity. All right, it's decreasing from negative infinity to -2. And decreasing again from 1 to 3. All right, in behavior, as x approaches negative infinity,